Good morning. It is Saturday, and today is another big day on this construction job as we are taking out our bay window that was in the kitchen. We have removed the window completely, getting ready to rebuild and put a new window unit in there. That's the view from the outside. We'll go around to the inside and show you what that looks like. We're making a lot of good progress. We have all the electrical run for lighting. We've got walls built. We're getting drywall stuff put together. Here's the interior. That's where the bay window used to sit. Got a big ass opening in the wall now. New window will be going in shortly. All right, after an afternoon of work, we have our window replaced with our new picture window. And here's what it looks like. Obviously the bay window used to sit there and sat down at this level where the drywall stops. Now it's raised up. Still get a nice view of the backyard. There's some film on the windows, so it looks like crap right at the moment. But we still have our view of the backyard. And from the outside, it looks like this. Where we took the bay window out, everything used to come out right there. And then the bay window used to sit right at the bottom of that plywood, and we just moved it up and put a picture window in there. That looks really good. It's been a day well spent, a good weekend. We had perfect weather to get it all done, and thank you so much to the kids for coming down and helping us with this. Without them, we couldn't have done it. So that was a big, big help. Now our two major projects are out of the way, and we are ready to start finish work on the kitchen. It's exciting times.